Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. In today's video, we're going to explore the different ways to say with in Hebrew. So, without further ado, let's begin. The most common way to say with in Hebrew is im. Im. This word is used in everyday conversation and it is the go-to word for with. Let's go over some examples. To say, I am going with my friend. As a male, say, אני הולך עם חבר שלי. אני, I, הולך, am going, עם, with, חבר, a male friend, שלי, of mine. To say, she is working with her computer, say, היא עובדת עם המחשב שלה. היא, she, עובדת is working, עם, with, המחשב, the computer, שלה, of hers. To say, the children are playing with their toys, say, הילדים משחקים עם הצעצועים שלהם. הילדים, the children, משחקים are playing עם, with, הצעצועים, the toys, שלהם, of theirs. To say, we are staying at home with our parents. say, אנחנו נשארים בבית עם ההורים שלנו. אנחנו, we, נשארים are staying בבית at home עם, with, ההורים, the parents, שלנו, of ours. To say, I like to drink coffee with milk. As a male, say, אני אוהב לשתות קפה עם חלב. אני, I, אוהב, love, לשתות, to drink, קפה, coffee, עם, with, חלב, milk. To say, they are traveling with the group, say, הם מטיילים עם הקבוצה. הם, they, מטיילים are traveling עם, with, הקבוצה, the group. The word im has a few more variations which we'll get to later on in this video. For now, let's go through a few more common ways to say with in Hebrew. The word used to say with me is איתי. E-T. For example, to say come with me to the cinema when speaking to a male, say בוא איתי לקולנוע. בוא, come, male, איתי, with me, לקולנוע, to the cinema. The word used to say with you when speaking to a male is איתך. איתך. For example, to say I am talking with you, as a male, say אני מדבר איתך. אני, I, מדבר, am talking, איתך, with you, male. To say with you when speaking to a female, say איתך. איתך. For example, to say I am talking with you, as a female speaking to a female, say אני מדברת איתך. אני, I, מדברת, am talking, female, איתך, with you, female. To say with him, say איתו, איתו. For example, to say she went with him to the store, say היא הלכה איתו לחנות. היא, she, הלכה, went, איתו, with him, לחנות, to the store. To say with her, say איתה, איתה. For example, to say he went out with her to dance, say הוא יצא איתה לרקוד. הוא, he, יצא, went out, male, איתה, with her, לרקוד, to dance. To say with us, say איתנו, איתנו. For example, to say they came with us to the picnic, say הם באו איתנו לפיקניק. הם, they, באו, came, איתנו, with us, לפיקניק, to the picnic. To say with you, when referring to plural males, say איתכם, איתכם. For example, to say we want to play with you, say אנחנו רוצים לשחק איתכם. אנחנו, we, רוצים, want, plural males, לשחק, to play, איתכם, with you, plural males. To say with you, when referring to plural females, say איתכן, איתכן. For example, to say we are going with you to the mall, as females speaking to females, say אנחנו הולכות איתכן לקניון. אנחנו, we, הולכות, are going, female, איתכן, with you, females, לקניון, to the mall. To say with them when speaking about males, say איתם, איתם. For example, to say he went with them on a trip, say הוא הלך איתם לטיול. הוא, he, הלך, went, איתם, with them, לטיול, on a trip. To say with them when speaking about females, say איתן, איתן. For example, to say she studied with them at the university, say היא למדה איתן באוניברסיטה. היא, she, למדה, studied, female, איתן, with them, באוניברסיטה, at the university. Now, let's go back to all the ways to say im. To say with me, say אימי, me. For example, to say they are always with me through thick and thin, say הם תמיד עימי באש ובמים. הם, they, תמיד, always, עמי, with me, באש, in the fire, ובמים, and in the water, which is the equivalent Hebrew phrase for through thick and thin. To say with you when speaking to a male, say עמך, עמך. For example, to say I love talking with you as a male speaking to a male, say אני אוהב לדבר עמך. אני, I, אוהב, love, male, לדבר, to talk, עמך, with you, male. To say with you when speaking to a female, say עמך, עמך. For example, to say I enjoy hanging out with you as a female speaking to a female, say אני נהנית לבלות עמך. אני, I, נהנית, enjoy, female, לבלות, to hang out, עמך, with you, female. To say with him, say עמו, עמו. For example, to say he always takes the book with him, say הוא תמיד לוקח את הספר עמו. הוא, he, תמיד, always, לוקח, takes, male, את הספר, the book, עמו, with him. To say with her, say עמה, עמה. For example, to say she takes the bag with her everywhere, say היא לוקחת את התיק עמה לכל מקום. היא, she, לוקחת, takes, female, את התיק, the bag, עמה, with her, לכל מקום, everywhere. To say with us, say עמנו, עמנו. For example, to say come to dinner with us when speaking to a group, say בואו עמנו לארוחת ערב. בואו, come, plural, עמנו, with us, לארוחת ערב, to dinner. To say with you when referring to males or to a mixed group, say עמכם, עמכם. For example, to say we would be happy to work with you on the project, say נשמח לעבוד עמכם על הפרויקט. נשמח, we will be happy, לעבוד, to work, עמכם, with you, על, on, הפרויקט, the project. To say with you when speaking to a group of females, say עמכן, עמכן. For example, to say we would be happy to collaborate with you when speaking to a group of females, say נשמח לשתף פעולה עמכן. נשמח, we will be happy, לשתף פעולה, to collaborate, עמכן, with you, female. To say with them when speaking about males, say עמם, mum. For example, to say, the children run with them all day. Say, הילדים רצים עמם כל היום. הילדים, the children, רצים, run, עמם, with them, כל, all, היום, the day. To say, with them, when speaking about females, say, אימן, אימן. For example, to say, they cook with them in the kitchen. When speaking about females, say, הן מבשלות עמן במטבח. הן, they, female, מבשלות, cook, females, עמן, with them, females again, במטבח, in the kitchen. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.